Let's take a look at this one. We got x squared plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Now our first step is to divide everything by the number in front of x squared. Well, there is no number in front of x squared. Step 2 is to take your constant term, the number to the right side. So I'll take the negative 10 over, becomes positive 10. Step 3, take the number that's before your x, which is 3, you multiply it times a half and you square it. It's always times a half, it's always squared. That gives us 3 halves squared, which gives us 9/4. And we want to add that to both sides. So we got x squared plus 3x plus 9/4 is equal to 10 plus 9/4. So we got x squared plus 3x plus 9/4. And over here, this is the mixed number rule. So I'm going to take the number to the side, the 10, multiply it times the denominator. 10 times 4 is 40, and I add a number on top. 40 plus 9 is 49 over 4. Step 4 is to factor the left side. This factors as x plus 3 halves squared. Now there is no factoring involved there at all. Whatever number is right here, sign included right before you square it, is always what goes right here. It's a positive 3 halves, that's why I put a plus there. Step 5. Use the square root property to solve for x. So we're going to drop our squared, and we'll put a plus or minus square root around the other side. Now that simplifies. 49 is 7 times 7, and 4 is 2 times 2. So 7 halves times 7 halves gives us 49 over 4. Here's a pair of something, so they're going to come out in front. So we're going to have x plus 3 halves is equal to plus or minus 7 halves. I'll take 3 halves over, that becomes a negative 3 halves. And we split this up. What that plus or minus means is it means we're going to have negative 3 plus, or negative 3 halves plus 7 halves. And we'll also have negative 3 halves minus 7 halves. Well, negative 3 plus 7 is 4, so we got 4 over 2, or 2. On this one, negative 3, negative 7 is negative 10 over 2, which gives us negative 5. And those would be our two answers.